Greetings friends, welcome. Today we're looking at how to use a web component in Gatsby. So I've taken a look in this and it's not very straightforward. I'll take you through the approaches I tried, and we'll get to hopefully at the end one that works. Now the component I'm going to use is my scroll to top web component. So it's written using lit element and using the skypack CDN as that dependency. And I'm going to put it into this website here, smudgethebeagle.com. I just like to have it so that when I scroll down here, it will appear in the bottom corner and I can click on it there and scroll to the top. Right, so here's my code for that Smudge the Beagle site. So it's a Gatsby site. Now, the first thing I'll try would be to just install it. So let's do an npm install scroll to top web component, and with that in there, I would like to go into that home page, which is actually the about page, and then do import scroll to top, and literally it just needs to be on the page, so I would add it in here, scroll to top web component, and save that off. So it's installed it here, and then if we look to use that, well, to run the website now, and then we should be on localhost 8000, and I'm not getting anything coming up. And if I come back into my build, so the build for Gatsby fails when we try and just do an npm install of this web component. I don't know if it's for all web components, but certainly because we're using the CDN in there, it's not able to resolve that at build time. So that is a non-starter. So let's do an npm uninstall. So the next thing I wanted to try was just use it from the skypack CDN. So it's on skypack, so I should just be able to come and copy it from here. I'm not sure if you've seen skypack before. Let me go back to the start. So this is just native ES builds of npm packages. So you think it's got a good chance of working. So if I look it up on there, and it's got it, then I can just use this script here. Now, within Gatsby, if you override your html.js, you can add scripts in, done similar to enable Google Ads. So in my html.js, I would like to just paste in that import. You know, if you were in a HTML page, you could do that, and this is meant to be the code for the HTML page. So if I save that off and we come and do a Gatsby develop, what do we get this time? Oh, I didn't take this out actually. Let me remove that. And that. Alright, so it builds this time, and if I come into localhost and refresh it, so okay, it didn't break the build this time, so that's progress. If we come and look in developer tools though, we can see there's an error, and that error is here, and if I click on that we can see, it's a bit hard to see it, but here we are, we can see my import scroll to top. And it's escaped my quotes. So yeah, that doesn't seem to be working. I guess there's ways around that as well, but I don't know. I guess you can unescape it. I don't know if you can. If you look at any of these scripts in HTML, they're just including the scripts. They're not actually including the code. So I don't think we can do that either. Right, and now the way that I found that actually worked, it's actually on unpackage as well. So when you put something on npm, it gets grabbed into a lot of other websites. So unpackage has got scroll to top. So if I look in scroll to top WC on unpackage, you can see it's there. It's still pulling in from the CDN, but if I grab this script, then in my HTML.js, I can put the script tag in. I need to say it's still type module. But I can specify the source here now, and it won't complain. It's not going to try and escape it. You can see it's formatted it correctly, so it understands this within this JSX. So if we now get this to run again, if we build the website again here, alright, so it's complete, it's built this time. And if I come back to the website and refresh it, no errors. And if I close that off and scroll down, oh, I still need to add it on. I do still need to add it on. So let's go into the About page now. And I should just be able to use it. Scroll to top WC. So no import or anything needed there. But it's rebuilt. If I refresh this page to be sure, go to the top and scroll down. No, it didn't work. Why is that? In my head here, it's definitely included it. Is it this page? No, it's not this page. This is not the page. The main page is index.js. Alright, okay, index.js. Alright, so let me save it there. You can get saved off as well. And if I scroll down now, it is appearing here. Okay, so I had the wrong page. But the other two still obviously wouldn't have worked because they were throwing errors. But this one, no errors. And now my button appears here. I click it, it will scroll me back up. So if I'm all the way down the bottom here, and then click on there, we can scroll back up. So there you go. If any of you know the best way to actually use components in a Gatsby site, feel free to pop something in the comments there. But there it is, up and running using unpackage.com. So it's working. That'll do for now. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if not. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below. Change the alert icon to all and you'll get updates for future videos. Catch you later. Bye.